Here in my hands is a new keyboard and mouse. This is wired. This is a really nice ergonomic design, classic keyboard. Look at that. Let's plug it in. I got a laptop sitting here right in front of me. So it should be ultra precise. Let's see. It has all the standard pre-done multimedia function buttons. So I am actually going to give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, not because it's the most technically advanced, amazing mouse and keyboard ever, but this is just a perfect every time you want a good, solid mouse and keyboard that's going to work with everything in the world. This is definitely the setup to go with. I hope that was helpful. If so, one of these down below. That's really important for us. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I will see you next time.